Welcome to this tutorial on how to download Zoom to a MacBook or an iMac. We will use Zoom for many of our online learning programs. This video is a step-by-step explanation of how to download the app to your MacBook or iMac. So, what is Zoom? Zoom is an app used for audio or video meetings online. You can use it to share your screen with others in your meeting. You can choose to turn on your camera so that others can see you. The app is free to download. Let's look at how to download the Zoom app to a MacBook or iMac. The process is the same. Open your internet browser and type zoom.us into the search bar and then press the return key. Look for the words "Join a Meeting" at the top of the page. Left-click on that link. Your teacher or friend will give you a meeting ID number. Left-click in the box in the middle of the page and type your meeting ID number. Then left-click the blue Join button. Because this is the first time you are using Zoom, you will need to download the app to your computer. Left-click Download Now in the middle of the screen. When it asks you, choose to allow downloads for zoom.us. When the download is finished, open the Downloads folder and left-click on the Zoom file that was just downloaded. In the Downloads window, click Continue, and then click Continue again. Finally, click Install. It will tell you that the download has been successful and you can then click Close. Then, send the downloader to the trash. Click Join a Meeting. Your teacher or friend will give you a meeting ID number. Left-click in the box in the middle of the page and type your meeting ID number. Then type your name. Click the box for Turn off my video if you don't want your teacher or friend to see you. Then click Join. Your teacher or friend will also give you a meeting password. Type the password for the meeting and then click Join. The computer will ask to access your microphone. Click OK so that your teacher or friend can hear you. You can also choose to allow notifications on your computer from Zoom. Wait for your teacher or friend to start your meeting. Then left-click Join with Computer Audio so that your teacher or friend can hear you. If you want your teacher or friend to see you, click Start Video and then click OK. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to download Zoom to a MacBook or iMac. If you have a different device, please check out the other videos in this series to find out how to download Zoom to those devices as well.